Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. If you'd like to see my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So, the speed of light decreases by 40% when it travels from air into a transparent medium. What is the refractive index of the medium? Well, the refractive index of a medium is equal to the speed of light in air or a vacuum. It's the same speed or so close that we don't bother to measure the difference, over the speed of light in the medium. Now, I could fiddle around. I know the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, and I could mess around finding exactly what the speed of light is in this medium and then putting those numbers into the equation. But as everything is just a ratio of the speed of light in air to the speed of light in the medium, I can just use these percentages. If I say the speed of light in air is 100%, and we're told the speed of light decreases by 40% when it enters the medium. In other words, the speed of light in the medium will be 60% of what it was originally. If I put those numbers into my calculator, I discover that the refractive index is 1.67, or rounding to 1.7. Answer C. I hope you found this useful. Please like and leave a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more of them in the series.